Introducing the HiBREW H1B coffee machine, a versatile and efficient coffee maker. This machine features a removable drip tray and a 600 ml water tank for easy cleaning and maintenance. It also includes a new metal pull rod for durability. The HiBREW H1B comes with various brewing cups. Nespresso Capsule Brewing Cup, Dolce Gusto Capsule Brewing Cup, KCUP Capsule Brewing Cup. You can also use it to place teacups with the ESE Easy Brewing Cup. Let me show you one. It also includes a removable coffee powder bowl for added convenience. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the perfect cup of coffee with the HiBREW H1B coffee machine.